Have you ever wondered why so many American houses are made of wood, even though the country faces thousands of wildfires every year? It might seem risky, but there are fascinating reasons behind this unique choice. Let's start with practicality. First, wood is incredibly affordable in the United States. With a well-established timber industry and an efficient supply chain, wood remains one of the cheapest building materials. For comparison, building a house with concrete or brick can cost 20 to 50% more depending on the location. Second, wood is fast and flexible to work with. Wooden homes can be constructed in weeks, whereas concrete or brick homes take months. In a country where people move frequently and time is money, this speed is a huge advantage. But here's where it gets interesting. You might wonder, why not prioritize safety, especially in areas prone to wildfires? The answer lies partly in insurance. Homeowners in the US often rely on insurance policies that cover fire damage, which reduces the financial burden of rebuilding after a disaster. This safety net makes wooden homes more viable even in high-risk areas. Now let's dive into the modern-day challenges. You must have heard about the recent fires in California in January 2025. These fires destroyed over 12,000 structures and caused billions of dollars in damages. In fact, wildfires have become more frequent and intense due to climate change, with dry conditions and high winds fueling the flames. This has sparked serious debates about building practices in fire-prone areas. So what do you think? After the recent fires, will we see a shift away from traditional wooden houses toward concrete or other materials? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more fascinating stories and insights about the world.